Hello everyone, in this video we will learn 3 Excel tricks and tips. So let's start. So here you can see this is my Excel sheet and I have a data. So here, going to insert the column. So to insert column, simply select the column and just go to the home tab in cells group, click on the insert option and click on the insert sheet column. Okay. And you can use here the shortcut key Shift Control plus sign to insert the column. Okay. And to delete the column, simply select the column, go to the Home tab. In Cells group, click on the Delete options and click on the Delete Sheet columns. Okay. You can use the shortcut key Control minus to delete the column. Control minus to delete the column. To hide the column, simply select the column, go to the Home tab. In Cells group, click on the Formats option and click on the Visibility, Hide and Unhide. Click on the Hide column and that's it. Your column is hide. To use the shortcut key, simply select a column and press the Ctrl 0 to hide the column. So that's it. Hope you understood all 3 tricks and tips. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.